रास्ता छोड़ दो, पीछे हो जाओ।
बारिश है कि आप सब बंदी कर लें, पीछे जो लोग खड़े हैं उनसे
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected audience, Assalamu alaikum. On behalf of Pakistan Air Force, I am extremely honored and humbled to pay tribute to our legendary hero, Air Chief Marshal Hakim Ullah. Air Chief Marshal Hakim Ullah, Nishan-e-Imtiaz Military, Charsadda Journalist, was born on 15 October 1935. He joined Pakistan Air Force in year 1954 after completing his secondary school education from Government High School, Mardan. He was commissioned in Pakistan Air Force on 11 January 1957. He commanded PDF from year 1988 to 1991. As an Air Force carrier, Air Chief Marshal Hakim Ullah commanded a fighter wing, fighter base and combat commander school. He was appointed as project officer for the induction of Mirage aircraft and remained as director of operations as well. He went on exchange posting to Turkish Air Force after flying as combat pilot in different fighter squadrons. Some of his senior appointments include PSO to Chief of the Air Staff, Assistant Chief of the Air Staff Operations, Chief Project Director, Project Falcon F-16 Induction Program, Deputy Chief of the Air Staff Operations, and Deputy Chief of the Air Staff Admin. He got retired from service on 9 March 1991. Air Chief Marshal Hakim Ullah was a graduate of Air Command and Staff College, Air University USA, and Royal College of Defence Studies UK. He had a number of professional courses to his credit, which include Fighter Leader Course and Combat Commander's Course. Air Chief Marshal Hakim Ullah maintained the highest tradition of leadership. He chose a strong team to produce a deliverable strategic capability on PEF weapon systems. He also believed that the engineering branch was the backbone of all operational activities. Hence, after comprehensive study, the case for establishment of a central engineering branch was approved. During his tenure, Air Chief Marshal Hakim Ullah continued to focus on promoting professionalism and simplicity in the Air Force. He was also very passionate about providing good quality education to those who could not afford it. He was a highly decorated officer, and in addition to the war decorations of Charsadda Journalist and Tamgai Basalat, he was awarded with Nishan-e-Imtiaz Military and Charsadda Basalat. At this moment, I must say that PEF has lost one of its beloved warrior. We will remember his contributions and we will miss him in times to come. At the end, all personnel of Pakistani Air Force pray that may Allah rest the departed soul in peace. आमीन। आखिर में ये कहना चाहूँगा कि अल्लाह ताला मरहूम के दर्जात बुलंद करे और लवाहिकीन को सब्र जमील अता फरमाए।
नीयत हासिल करें।
अल्लाहु अकबर, अल्लाहु अकबर, अल्लाहु अकबर। अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाह, अस्सलामु अलैकुम व
मेरा पटेल चलो